Love riding and filming your adventures? What if you could make money doing it? Motovlogging, combining motorcycles and vlogging, lets you share your passion and earn money. It takes hard work, but with the right strategies, you can turn your hobby into a source of income. This essay explores 4 key strategies: YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling merchandise. Get ready to learn how to transform your passion into profit. YouTube's Partner Program is your first step to earning. This program is designed to help creators like you monetize your passion and turn your hobby into a source of income. By joining, you unlock the potential to earn money through ads, channel memberships, and even super chat during live streams. It lets you run ads on your videos and get paid for views. The more engaging your content, the more views you get, and the higher your earnings. It's a simple yet powerful way to turn your creativity into cash. To qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid watch hours in the past 12 months. Sounds tough? It's achievable. Many creators have reached this milestone by consistently uploading quality content and engaging with their audience. How to increase watch time. Create engaging content. Focus on what your audience loves and keep them coming back for more. Experiment with different formats and topics to see what works best. Think captivating intros, clear storytelling, and high-quality footage. Your first few seconds are crucial in grabbing attention, so make them count. Invest in good equipment to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Longer videos often perform better, keeping viewers hooked. Aim for videos that are at least 10 minutes long to maximize watch time. Engage with your audience by asking questions and encouraging comments. Remember, more watch time equals more ad revenue. Keep an eye on your analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Your journey to revenue starts now. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products you love and earning a commission on sales. Find companies that align with your channel and audience. Motorcycle gear, accessories, action cameras. The possibilities are endless. Review products honestly and mention your affiliate links in the video description. When viewers buy through your link, you get a cut. Transparency is key. Disclose your affiliate relationships to build trust with your audience. Partnering with brands for sponsored content is another lucrative avenue. As your channel grows, brands might approach you for reviews, shoutouts, or integrations. You can also reach out to brands that fit your niche. Negotiate fair rates for your work. Consider factors like your audience size, engagement rate, and the scope of the project. Authenticity is crucial. Only partner with brands you genuinely believe in and that resonate with your audience. Section 5. Merchandise, selling your brand. Creating and selling merchandise is a great way to monetize your brand and engage your loyal viewers. Think t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, or even custom-designed helmets with your logo. Platforms like Teespring or Printful offer print-on-demand services, handling production and shipping for you. Promote your merch through your videos, social media, and website. Offer discounts and exclusive deals to incentivize purchases. Section 6. Building your audience. The key to monetization. In this section, we will explore the essential steps to grow your audience and turn your passion into profit. Remember, you can't make money without an audience. Your audience is the backbone of your channel, and their engagement is what drives your success. Building a loyal following is crucial for monetization. It's not just about numbers. It's about creating a community that trusts and values your content. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, or scenic rides, make sure your videos are informative and entertaining. Be consistent with your upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency builds trust and anticipation among your viewers. Interact with your viewers in the comments section. Engagement is key to building a strong relationship with your audience. Respond to questions, acknowledge feedback, and foster a sense of community. Show your viewers that you value their input and appreciate their support. Promote your channel on social media, forums, and other relevant platforms to reach a wider audience. Utilize every opportunity to share your content and attract new viewers. Collaborate with other creators and network within your niche. Partnerships can introduce your channel to new audiences and provide fresh content ideas. Celebrate milestones and achievements with your audience. Share your journey and make them feel part of your success. This will strengthen their loyalty and support. Finally, set clear goals and plan your monetization strategies. Whether it's through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise, having a plan will guide your efforts and maximize your earnings. Section 7. Engaging content. Keep them watching. The lifeblood of any successful YouTube channel is engaging content. Without it, viewers will quickly lose interest and move on to other channels. This is even more critical for motovloggers, who rely on the thrill and excitement of their rides to captivate their audience. Your videos should be more than just you riding a motorcycle. They should tell a story, evoke emotions, and keep viewers on the edge of their seats. Think about storytelling, humor, and sharing your personality. These elements can make your content more relatable and enjoyable. Experiment with different video formats. Tutorials, challenges, behind-the-scenes footage, and even vlogs about your daily life can add variety to your channel. Collaborations with other vloggers can also spice things up and introduce your channel to new audiences. Edit your videos to be dynamic and fast-paced. This keeps the energy high and prevents viewers from getting bored. Use music, transitions, and sound effects to keep viewers engaged. These elements can enhance the viewing experience and make your videos more professional. Always strive to improve your video quality. High-definition footage, clear audio, and smooth editing can make a huge difference. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and editing software. These tools are essential for producing high-quality content that will keep your viewers coming back for more. Remember, the goal is to keep them watching, so always be on the lookout for ways to improve and innovate. Section 8. Collaboration. Riding with others. Collaboration is key in the YouTube world. Teaming up with other motovloggers exposes you to new audiences. Reach out to creators in your niche for collaboration opportunities. Create joint videos, guest appearances, or even just shout each other out. Cross-promotion benefits everyone involved. You tap into their audience and they tap into yours. When collaborating, ensure your content aligns and your personalities mesh well. Section 9. Consistency is key. Stay on track. Consistency is crucial for building a loyal audience and attracting sponsors. Establish a regular upload schedule that you can realistically maintain. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, stick to it as much as possible. This consistency helps your audience know when to expect new content and keeps them engaged with your channel. It also signals to potential sponsors that you're reliable and committed to creating content. Section 10. Analytics and optimization. Fine-tuning your strategy. YouTube analytics are your best friend. They provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior. Track metrics like watch time, audience retention, click-through rates, and traffic sources. This data tells you what's working and what's not. Use this information to optimize your content strategy. Identify your most popular videos and understand why they resonated with viewers. Experiment with different titles, thumbnails, and tags to improve your video's discoverability. Section 11. Conclusion: your journey to motovlogger success. Turning your passion for motovlogging into a profitable business takes time, effort, and a strategic approach. Focus on creating high-quality content, building a loyal audience, and exploring various monetization avenues. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, engage with your viewers, and never stop experimenting. So, gear up, hit the road, and start creating content that resonates with your audience. Your motovlogging journey awaits. Don't forget to download all the tools and resources from the video's description.